Assalamualaikum students and welcome to grade 3. This is your science book, that is New Oxford Primary Science 3. I am Ms. Sabha Pracha and I am going to teach you science. We will start from the unit 1, that is the human body. Assalamualaikum students and welcome to the new class. I am Ms. Sabha Pracha and I will teach you science. We will start from unit number 1, that is the human body. Today I am going to read this chapter for you. We will start from page number 2. Your body is like a wonderful machine. It can do hundreds of different jobs. These jobs are done by different organs and systems. The organs and system perform different functions, but they all work together. Page number 3. The human brain. The brain is the control center of the body. It controls all the systems and organs. The sense organs. These help us to sense the world around us. The sense organs take in information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of our environment. Our senses are important. They help to keep us safe from danger. Eyes. When the eyes see something, they send a message to the brain. The brain tells us what we are seeing. Ears. The ears receive sounds from outside. The sounds are carried to the brain. The brain tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. Our ears enables us to hear and also help us to keep our balance. Page number 4. Nose. Many things give off smells, scents and odor. These smells travel through the air. The nerves in the nose receives these smells. The brain tells us if the smells are pleasant or not. Tongue. The tongue helps us to taste things. The tongue is covered with tiny pores which taste different things. We can tell if something is sweet, sour, bitter, salty or hot. The tongue also helps us to talk. Skin. The skin helps us to feel. Just under the surface of the skin are the ends of nerves. When we touch something, the nerves endings send us message to the brain. We can feel heat, cold, pressure and pain. We feel if something is hard or soft. Page number 5. The systems of the body. The organs and other parts of the body form different systems. The skeletal system. Human body has a framework of bones called the skeletal system. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. The bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and protect the parts inside. The muscular system. The muscles make up the muscular system. This system works closely with the skeletal system and forms part of the body's framework. Muscles allow us to move different parts of the body. Page number 6. The digestive system. The stomach and the channels through which food passes are called the digestive system. Starting from the mouth, this system includes the stomach, the liver, and the channels which food passes through. The circulatory system. Blood is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body. The blood circulates around the body through the veins and arteries. These, along with the heart, makes up the circulatory system. The respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe and lungs. Air is pumped into and pushed out of the body by this system. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body. Page number 7. The nervous system. The brain and the nerves form the nervous system. The nerves in the body receive signals from the sense organs and take messages to the